Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So let's ask the question, how do I measure customer satisfaction, right? Well, I look at it, there's two ways that I measure that. And that's one, will they give me a review? And two, have they kept coming back for more of our products and services to buy over and over and over and over again? And are they out there being the third? Are they out there being a cheerleader for what we're doing in our company, right? So ask yourself if you have those three things that you're able to give a yes to with what you're doing in your business, in your current client base. And I think as long as you're doing a few of those, you're going to find that your customer satisfaction is very healthy. And, just don't forget to utilize that satisfaction to continue to sell more products and services to them and leverage their being a happy customer to bring in more potential happy customers. There you go. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.